kangaroo court na ito. Kaya sigarin, may pasigaw-sigaw pa. Kay sinuplak tuloy ni Kong Lebiste. Ito na po mga kababayan ko. Nako, manggigigil po kayo dito. Sino pong papanigan nyo mga kababayan? Katwiran o yung mga bendalo? Ito po.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, may I make a manifestation to clarify what I previously said?
Ito na.
Majority
also
Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to recognize the Honorable Janet Garin from the First District of Iloilo.
The Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet Garin is now recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Kanina po ay narinig natin ang motion ni Honorable Terry Ridon moving that the speech of the Honorable Liviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege. May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that his motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made